हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। यहाँ मैं ये मेरा ग्राफिक्स टैबलेट जो मैं अभी आपके साथ में इससे पहले वीडियो में दिखा रहा था कि जो ह्यून का ग्राफिक्स टैबलेट है इसका जो निब है वो कैसे चेंज करते हैं। तो यहाँ अब मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि जैसे कि आपका रेस्पॉन्स अभी ऑब्जर्व किया है इन द लास्ट वीडियोस एंड मैनी ऑफ यू आर फेसिंग प्रॉब्लम in the same way which I have faced 4 5 years back. The same way, I have purchased the graphics tablet, but I was not aware that how to write on the screen. And the same thing, many of you actually ask about this question, that how to write on the, how to use graphics tablet to write on the monitor or that thing. Actually, I have mentioned all these things in my last videos many times, that you might be face this kind of problem, but it might be again that you have not watched that video. You have just watched a small part of the video where I have just mentioned that I am using this Yon and Wacom graphics tablet, and you, if you want to teach online, then you will require all these tools, right? So in this video actually I have mentioned here 4 5 again software by which you can write on the screen, right? So this is my digital pen, and here I have mentioned that one is the classroom presenter, second is the lesson pad, and third is OneNote, bit paper, PPTs, online whiteboard. All these are available free and you can download these. But in case of a classroom presenter and lesson pad, you have to download it through the GitHub, right? These are not available directly, but lesson pad is not available in that way, which I have which I basically will show you into this presentation. That will total different. Right now they just provided a online link, and that is online whiteboard right now, right? And bit paper, I have already made that video. That link I will provide you in the description of all these softwares, whether that is lesson pad, classroom presenter. OneNote, again you can download from the internet, and if you are using Microsoft tools, so it will be automatically available in your system PC. So this is my graphics tablet and digital pen I have used here to show you that how I am using this. So when I'm using the OBS, then that time I use the second this one, this hand to change the screen. So I show you here. So I'm using this Alt and Tab again and again. I'm saying that when you use OBS, then that time you have to switch the application by using this Alt and Tab button, right? This Alt, yeah, near to this one is Space Tab, this Alt tab, and this Alt and Tab. This is for window. I don't know about to the Mac, so I'm using it, and just coming on to the PowerPoint presentation first of all. And here at the bottom side you can see there are some pen. So I am using this pen, but let me check again, right? So you are looking just this white screen here. So here now you can see this is the pen. So I am selecting here this red color for this particular pen, and using the graphics tablet. So it is not writing. Yes, so graphics tablet. So you can see here that I am using the PowerPoint presentation, and in the same way by using the graphics tablet I can write here whatever I want to write. So there is no problem. Okay, let me check first one. This is the first one. This is first slide. So if you have slide already and you want to use graphics tablet and there is no any software like classroom presenter, lesson pad, OneNote, bit paper, online whiteboards, no problem. You just use your PPT, check again here. This is a pen, right? Select the pen. Select the color. Now I'm using this color. So is there any problem to write on this screen? No. So if you have already a PowerPoint presentation and you have mentioned there some your topic, then that time you can use PowerPoint presentation pen. So use this pen in PowerPoint presentation. And I don't think there is any problem to use it. And the color, again you go here and select any color. Red is effective because this is visible. The thickness is there is no option, right? There is no option of thickness here. Or let me check, is there any option? And so help arrow option, automatic visible hidden screen, show presenter view, last view. So in setting there is no option here. Black screen, white screen, hide ink, markup, show taskbar, etc. I will show you some of them, but before that you can highlight the portion on your presentation. I'm using right now I'm using PowerPoint presentation, and here this mirror, you can see that I can move this in a zoom way. So I am using zoom here, and you can see that I can displace here and there and select this particular point or at the end. So now after making a zoom the PowerPoint presentation, how we can come again into the normal way, normal PowerPoint, normal slideshow. So you just use escape button. I use escape button. So in the next slide, the application of PowerPoint presentation. I am using PowerPoint presentation here at the bottom side. You can see some tools. So first of all you have to select pen. How to select pen? You just click here, this one. There are laser pointer. If you want to just explain the presentation and you require this kind of thing, right, then you can use a laser point presentation, but you cannot write anything here. But if you want to write, then you have to use pen. So first tool is about to the laser pointer, and then after pen you can select the pen. You can select the highlighter from here, but highlighter is not required. So you use this pen and select the color from here. You can erase all link on this particular slide, right? So or you can use this small eraser. If I use this small one, so it will erase only that part, right? This one you can see, right? Again go and select this pen, make it. So now you can see that there is in the PowerPoint presentation all feature available, and here most important part is that they are providing this pen and highlighter. If I have written this particular thing and I want to highlight it, right, and there is any picture, so you can use this highlighter also in the PowerPoint presentation. Go again and select your pen and the pen color. Right now I'm using this black color pen. So color of the pen are available. If you feel a red color is good for your purpose, then you use red color. If you think the black is good for your presentation, then black, and any other color, blue, dark blue, whatever you think, right? So this is the point from the PowerPoint presentation and about their feature. And next point is about to the zooming. Suppose I have just clicked it the zoom, and wherever I used this mouse, right, by this way, so only that part will be highlighted. If suppose you want to zoom this section only, then click here, so it becomes zoom. And when you want to use escape button, or if suppose you want to come back into the normal slide, so just use this escape button and you come again. Now the next point, this now you can see there are more than 16 slides, so all slides you can select from here immediately. So that is the point about to the PowerPoint presentation. And now the most important part. So you have seen the zooming part. If you have to zoom tool into the PowerPoint presentation, or if you have to go here arrow option or other option, last viewed or like that, so presenter view, or now screen. You suppose want a black screen, just click this one and start to write. Because I have selected dark pen, so I will use this light color pen. So on dark screen, you have to use light color pen. So now I am using Note pen, right? So if you are using if you want to use again this white color, then use Control Z button, then automatically you will come on the first slide. So whatever change you have made, that will erase. And again I going here on the screen, and this is black screen. Now I want to use this particular white color button, white color. So by this way, if you are a math teacher and you have to show this anything, right, or is like a circle, or then after a different color into that, so you can make that, right, you can make them. So this was all about to the PowerPoint presentation. And being a teacher, if you are a teacher and you don't have that particular software, so you can use that, right? Just go here, select this screen, unblack or white screen, idling mark, show taskbar, like this way. So now you can see, right? Now at present you are into the PowerPoint presentation mode, into the slide mode, and you are using different slides. Come back and select the white screen, or like this, unblack, and again if you want to do it black, then black. So these are just some features. So use black screen with yellow color pen, right? If you will use red color or any other color, that will be not so much effective on black screen, but this is not visible, or it will actually create the problem in the output in your screen, right? So this was all about to the PowerPoint presentation. You can use other tool here, this next or forward, like this. So I'm using again this yellow color pen, right? So if you are facing the problem in terms of the software, as such there is no problem. Use your PPT and start to write on that. But there are some limitations actually that I will show you in the next video. I hope it will be beneficial for you.